Students, your topic of presentation is Citizenship, Rights and Values, Chapter 15, Grade 6 of your Geography section. Objectives: to raise awareness of importance of civil rights and duties. Sources that I have used: textbook, atlas and internet. Introduction: this is a very important chapter as it reinforces values, the importance of law and order in society and the rights and responsibilities of citizens. To introduce the topic, asks questions such as: do you know how many types of people make up the population of our country? What language do they speak? What different religions do you found in Pakistan? Now, as we all know that human rights are for the good of everyone. And if one person takes more than his or her share, other will have less. This is what laws, police, courts and prisoners are for, to ensure that the people do not trespass the rights of others and do not fail in their own duties. For this, every country has their own rules and regulations to follow by the people of that country so that they can live proper and successful life. First heading of this topic is values. Like rights, values are also important for all people. Values are the good beliefs and habits that we are taught by our religion, our elders and our society. Good values are common to all religions and societies, and following them makes life worthwhile and pleasant. Next topic, respect. To help society run smoothly, we should all respect our parents, family and older people, even if their ideas differ from ours. Most of them were brought up in very different times. We should respect people who have authority over us, the law, government and officials. They are our parents' representatives and are doing what they see as right for our country and its people. In school, we should respect our teachers and also our colleagues. We earn the respect from others by respecting them. Tolerance. We must learn to respect and tolerate other people's beliefs and customs, and we must try to understand them. Our country and the world indeed is made up of so many different peoples, languages and cultures. We should try to enjoy this variety and live in peace with all. It would be a very dull world if everyone was alike. Peace and friendship. If we travel about the world, we will meet many different kinds of people, but whatever their differences of religion, beliefs, law and wealth, they all want the same things. We may dislike certain people because they are different from us in their appearances or their views and beliefs, but they are human beings and feel much same as we do, and we must try to understand them and live in peace and friendship with everyone. Children of South Asia. We have seen the growing percentage of the population under 15 years in the South Asian countries. These children are the futures of their nations. Children living in the towns and cities enjoy being able to go to school nearby and to get a good education. They can also go to other places of interest such as museums and libraries and learn from the books and computers. But most of the children living in cities have little space for games and sports. On the other hand, children in rural areas live on farms. They have plenty of open space for playing. They learn about nature by observing it close at hand. But there are very few schools in the rural areas, so very few children get informal education. I hope you all understand the topic. Now you have to answer the question on page number 75 and share it with us, and also collect information about UNICEF and share with us. Thank you.